Look around you, different things born out of truth and passion. Business software, it's our craft, our identity. Thoughtfully engineered, passionately designed to help you transform your business. Zoho, made in India, made for the world.
The footage that we have accessed, and we would want to put out for our viewers, this has been accessed from Agra, from where this self-style Godman was picked up. This is exclusive pictures that we are bringing for our viewers now on your screens. The CCTV footage on this very footage, you can actually spot the Baba outside the hotel, and this is just moments before the arrest, and that has taken place on camera itself. So it was said to be early in the morning or late at night, post 3 a.m. as it is being said. That is when the arrest had happened, and this is based on the information that the police was on the lookout for this Baba who was on the run for over 50 days. Tetri, quick description of the CCTV footages as well. He was said to be placed in some hotel there in Agra. Is that correct? Where he was then picked up by the police?
Well, absolutely, as in fact police also mentioned that not just at one location but raids were carried out at multiple locations because Baba was absconding, the self-style Godman was absconding, and there was no, no sign so as to where was he after the investigation began, and that's how police started the investigation by also tracking the call details and the suspected people the Baba could have called, because there has been a pattern if we look when the Baba used to call the girls or in fact approach the girls as well. In the previous, in fact, in a few days back also we revealed that how during the investigation there was a pattern. That's how Baba, used to approach these girls. First, he in fact used to threaten these girls that either they will be removed from the institution, or in fact, they will be failed in the examination, or they will be getting less numbers, and in this way either he used to approach them directly or through his trusted men. So there is a high possibility that these all people could have given a tip-off as to where the Baba is, and then the police caught him at 3 a.m. and now investigation will be underway. Extensive investigation will reveal that what was the motive behind the financial frauds, where the money was siphoned.
Not just that, notorious Baba is concerned, he had a shady past. We are going to take our viewers through as far as when it comes to these revelations are concerned, as Tetri continues to be with us. Let's get you through the sequence of events, exactly what led to the arrest of this self-style Godman. One of those revelations suggests that the institute actually received a complaint from the Air Force. Now, what is being said that after this complaint that was received, it was an Indian Air Force officer who sent an email to the institute, and he had flagged when it comes to the complaints that was registered by the students, that was talked about by the students, that they were facing serious allegations of sexual assault, and even when it comes to sending lewd and obscene messages, where the Baba apparently used to call girls to his place, to his room. Now, however, what is being said thereafter, the FIR was registered against the accused Baba, and this is on the 4th and the 5th of the August, where the institute thereafter went ahead to file a police complaint against this so-called Baba. The complaint that was filed with the evidence of the said abuse, and what has now been said, over 300 pages of evidence that has been submitted to the police, and the police were working on this as far as for the last 50 days, 50 plus days, that this Baba with a shady past, because this is not happening for the first time there, as far as this predator who is now being placed under arrest. Let's take you through the details and the sequence exactly from the moment of arrest to what is happening right now. So as I said, around 3:30 a.m. last night or early in the morning, we can say, when he was picked up from Agra. Now, what is being said that this arrest happened after multi-city hunt, as the police said that he was constantly changing his location, he was constantly changing his appearance, and another scoop that we are picking up is this Baba was hiding in Mathura, Baba was hiding in other locations in UP as well. He spent time in Vrindavan, and thereafter continuously was changing his locations, and he is said to have stayed in multiple hotels, ranging from 13 to 14 hotels. What has also now been said, Tetri, as far as this Baba, and to the extent of which fakery that has also been exposed, He had fake visiting cards. And to what extent? Because as far as his luxury cars that have also been, confiscated, he had a fake ID card of a UN ambassador as a representative of India, as a special envoy of India. He had another fake ID card as far as saying that he is a representative of a BRICS member country. I mean, to what extent is this fakery that has now been exposed, Tetri?
Well, absolutely, that's quite shocking that these such fake identity cards are found, are recovered from him. Not just that, but 3 mobile phones, 1 laptop is also recovered, and also suspected that Baba stayed in Vrindavan as well. The self-styled godman stayed in Mathura as well, and he kept on changing his location. And when such people are on run, they do keep on changing location so that they could stay away from the police or evade the arrest for a longer period of time. But then ultimately, when it comes to digital footprints, it makes easier for the cops to reach out to nab the accused, and that is what has happened in this case as well. But that is quite shocking for the kind of visiting cards, Amita, that they have been recovered from the self-styled godman. And also we have seen that how the car that was also stationed at his institute, that also had a fake number and a fake identity as well. So that is what this is what we have been observing, that he used to portray himself someone who is someone who holds a very high position, someone who is very much powerful.
But these are, as far as when it comes to, quite rare. Imagine faking your visiting card and calling yourself as a representative and an special envoy of India. This is the extent to which, as far as his predator Baba went. But please do stay on with us, because as we talk about his shady past, it is not happening for the first time as such cases that have now been registered against him. Let's go back now to 2009. Now, forgery case that was registered at the Defence Colony police station. Thereafter, in 2016, there was another case of molestation that was filed by a student of the Vasant Kunj Institute. Thereafter, in 2025, now we are looking at 3 aspects here. There has been FIR when it comes to molestation of female students at the institute. There has been FIR when it comes to using fake number plates, forgery, and there is another one when we speak of cheating. 3 of these cases as far as when it comes to the mutt or the monastery or this trust is now concerned. So the controversial past of Baba has now come to haunt him. Now he's been formally placed under arrest, currently lodged at the Delhi Police's Vasant Kunj police station, and thereafter within 24 hours of his arrest he will be produced before the court shortly. We'll be getting you the live updates. In the meantime, we head into a short break.